Why do 45% of adults snore? Spoiler alert, it's not just because they're tired. Snoring happens when the flow of air through your mouth and nose is partially blocked while you sleep. This causes the tissues in your throat to vibrate, creating that oh-so-lovely noise. But what causes this blockage? And it could be a few things. Allergies, a cold, or even the way you're built. Yep, some people just have narrower airways. And get this, lying on your back makes it worse. Gravity, am I right? So, if you want to quiet the night, try sleeping on your side, staying hydrated, and avoiding that late-night snack. Next time someone snores, you'll know it's not just because they're tired, it's science. Now go impress your friends with your snore knowledge.